The Breakroom Start Here UI comes pre-equipped in most Breakroom region templates. Depending on the setup of your region, the Start Here UI buttons give users the option to select an avatar from your default avatar collection, access help videos, take a live camera tour of the region, or visit your custom triage zone. Some of these buttons may not appear if they haven't been set up in the region. Let's enable the Start Here UI in this region. To do so, we will open the region editor, find the Breakroom Start Here UI object in our inventory, then place it in the region and click Save. There may be times when you may not want the Start Here UI to appear in a region. Let's delete or disable the Start Here UI in this region. To do so, we will open the region editor, find the Breakroom Start Here UI object in our Object Inspector. To disable the Start Here UI, press the I button. Press the I button again to re-enable it. To delete the Start Here UI, press the trash can icon. Don't forget to press Save to finalize your changes.